Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, once again, we're checking out all the latest construction updates as progress continues across multiple areas. From anchor installations to elevator cores, glass panels, and major structural components, there's plenty to see. First, a huge thanks to all our subscribers for your amazing support. If you're watching and haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. We're close to 1,000 subscribers, and reaching this milestone will motivate us to bring you even more updates. So let's dive in and take a closer look at how the stadium is shaping up. In the Tribuna section, enclosure work is advancing quickly with sandwich panels now installed across most of the elevator shaft structures, covering large portions of both the front and side elevations. At the same time, concrete panels are being installed in the lower sections, with workers securing and aligning them using elevated platforms. Only a few remaining concrete panels need to be placed, and crane operations continue lifting additional structural components to support the final enclosure. Overall, this section is moving steadily toward full structural closure. A new radial beam has been delivered and staged on-site, marking another important step in the assembly of the stadium's roof compression ring structure. Additional compression ring components and support elements have also arrived and are positioned near their installation areas. With concrete slab work already completed nearby, the structure is fully prepared for the upcoming lifting and installation of these roof support components. In the Tribuna Corner, construction is focused on preparing the facade structure, with slat support brackets and structural components already staged and partially installed. Some anchor connections still need completion before facade installation can begin. Glass panels have been moved to upper levels and are ready for installation above entrance areas. Equipment and materials are positioned nearby, indicating that this sector is now transitioning from structural assembly toward enclosure preparation. In the lateral elevator shaft section, sandwich panel installation is progressing well, with most of the front side already enclosed and panels extending upward toward the upper structural brackets. Workers are using elevated platforms and crane support to align and secure the remaining panels. Only the upper and corner sections are still open, but the structure is now largely covered. This lateral section is quickly moving toward full enclosure, matching the steady progress seen in both the Tribuna and South Goal elevator shaft sections. In the north stand corner, anchor installation continues steadily. Most of the lower sections for the false ceiling are complete, and upper brackets for the facade slats are being secured. The left side is more advanced, while the right still requires some work. Once all anchors are in place, crews can start mounting the facade slats and move toward enclosing the structure. Installed glass panels are now covered with protective sheets and cardboard to shield them from paint and construction debris. This ensures the glass remains clean and undamaged while work continues nearby. On elevated platforms, workers are applying black anti-corrosion paint to steel beams and bolts. Some sections are fully coated, while others are in progress, showing steady advancement in protecting and finishing the stadium's steel framework. Glass installation is progressing steadily across several facade sections. Multiple glass panels have already been installed, along with upper finishing trims that secure and frame the panels. However, some areas still remain open, with support frames visible and ready to receive additional glass panels. Protective coverings remain in place on newly installed sections. Crane activity continues across several sectors, with heavy lifting operations positioning steel beams and structural components into place. Newly delivered steel elements are being lifted, aligned, and secured into their designated positions. These operations are essential for completing the upper structural systems and reinforcing key load-bearing areas. Each installed component strengthens the stadium's overall structural integrity and prepares it for subsequent enclosure and finishing phases. At the south stand, anchor installation and structural preparation are also advancing well. Workers are tightening and securing anchor points, ensuring readiness for facade slat installation. Structural frames in this area are now highly advanced, and preparations are underway for the installation of enclosure panels similar to those seen in other sections. Elevated platforms and crews remain active, performing alignment, fastening, and structural finishing work. That's it for today's update. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep bringing you the latest progress. See you in the next update.